Hello and welcome to our liver recipe from Germany. The recipe originates from the south of Germany and is called liver Baden style. Baden is a historical territory in the south of Germany where the Black Forest, known for its evergreen scenery and traditional villages, lies in the mountainous southwest. This easy recipe is traditionally made with beef liver, but you can also use pork, calf or chicken liver instead. I already rinsed the liver slices under cold water and tapped them dry with paper towels and cut them into bite-sized pieces. If you see some kind of veins, just cut them out. While melting the butter in a large pan over medium heat, I slice the onions. That doesn't need to be very finely, but if you prefer it, you can just slice them as thick as you like it. And by the way, if you are looking for the recipe, you can find it in the description below the video. When the butter is melted, add the onion slices and fry them until they are translucent. Then add the liver and fry it together with the onions until slightly browned. Then sprinkle the flour on top and stir well. Deglaze with your favorite wine and simmer on low heat for a couple of minutes until the liver is just done. Season with salt, pepper, sugar and marjoram and mix well. If you add the salt too early in the cooking process, the liver will turn out very tough. Serve with fried or mashed potatoes or Spätzle and a mixed side salad or vegetable dish. Guten Appetit! If you are interested in other German liver dishes, check out our recipe for traditional German liver Berlin style with fried onions and caramelized apple slices.